Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel and if you have never seen this face before, then hi, I am Pratyusha. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the family. You know I love you. First of all, thank you so much guys for all the love and support you have been showing me on my channel. We are growing day by day and I'm so happy and grateful to you guys. Thank you so much guys. So now let's come back to today's video. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to click pictures in 3 different attires, and I'm also going to tell you how to pose for different kind of pictures. So let's not waste any more time and get started with the video. So guys, the first attire is something which we all love to wear, that is a sari. So I'm going to tell you guys how to click picture in a sari, and at the same time what all tips you should keep in mind while clicking such kind of photos, and also I'll tell you the poses that you need to do while you're clicking picture in a sari. Okay, let's not waste any more time and get started with the photo shoot.
So guys, every time you're trying to click picture in a sari, make sure to flaunt your blouse a lot, because that is an important element while you're clicking a picture in a sari. Second, don't forget to adjust your sari in a very proper way so that it looks poised and elegant while you're clicking a picture. And also keep in mind the posture and poses, which are very important in order to flaunt your figure. One of the posture that always helped me to flaunt my figure is that I put my right leg in front, and with the help of my right hand I hold my sari a bit up and relax my left leg and left hand. This always put my figure in a very nice shape every time I try to click picture in a sari. So if you guys follow all these tips, I think you're good to go then.
So guys, I'm done with the first photo shoot, and to be honest, I'm not in love with the pictures. I know I told this in previous video as well, but the thing is, if there is no proper natural lighting, it becomes very difficult for me to click pictures. So yeah, I'm not in love with the pictures, but again, I feel that they were not bad as well. So I'm just showing you guys. You guys let me know in the comment section if it was good or bad. Okay. So guys, the next attire is something I'm very excited to tell you guys. This is because I'm in love with this attire. This is something we lazy people will relate. Often we don't feel like getting dressed up just for a photo shoot, so we often tend to click pictures in our casual attires, but that doesn't come out that good. So I'm going to tell you guys some tips and ideas how to click pictures in your casual attires. For me, my casual attire is a track pant and a sleeveless top. Yes, that's what I wear 24/7 because it's very comfortable, and at the same time the weather is not good at all. So yeah, I'm going to tell you guys how to click picture in such attires at your home, and at the same time the poses you should give so that the picture turns out to be very good.
In this photo shoot, all I have done is taken a chair and sat on it and put my phone at a lower angle so that my whole body comes into the frame. And for postures, I have not did something different or extraordinary. All I have done is the way I sit at my home. I just sat like that and started clicking pictures. Make sure that you have a proper lighting. Then I know for a fact that the pictures will turn out good. You don't need to have a proper background. You can just have any random backgrounds. Make sure to use this and try this out, and also tag me on Instagram.
So guys, I'm done with the photo shoot, and trust me, I'm in love with the pictures. I did not expect it to turn out so good, but I'm just in love with it, and I'll not waste any more time, and because I'm excited to show it to you guys. So here are the pictures. So guys, last but not the least is something we all girls are obsessed with. We wear it everywhere, let it be party, get-togethers, no matter where we wear it. Yes, I'm talking about a short dress. I'm going to tell you guys how to click picture in a short dress, especially when you're sitting down, and also the poses you should give while you're sitting down and clicking pictures. So let's not waste any more time and get started with the photo shoot.
So this is the set for today guys, and I have just taken a random bedsheet and made it a background, tried to make a background, and the photo shoot will be done on my bed. So yeah, this is it.
In this kind of pictures, make sure that your phone is at a proper angle so that the walls that are not covered with bedsheet are not coming in the frame, and also make sure to wear something comfortable so that you can stretch your hands and legs properly while clicking such pictures. What I have done in clicking such pictures is that I have played with my hands and legs a lot, because that is important to flaunt your figure while you're sitting down and clicking picture. So in one of the poses you can see I have rested my body on top of my leg and used my one hand to cover my face and looked intensely in the camera. So, and the picture that turned out to be very good, and if you follow all these things, I think you're good to go.
Guys, I am obsessed with the pictures. I did not expect it to turn out so good. Trust me, I'm in love with the picture, guys. And I had clicked one such before and I had uploaded on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow it. The link is in the description. And also, I will not waste any more time and I'll show it to you guys because I'm excited to show it to you guys. So here are they. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to comment down below which one was your favorite so that I can post on the basis of that on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on my socials, make sure to follow me. The links are in the description. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the family. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that every time I post, you get notified. With that being said, I'll sign off and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.